Hello, everyone. So, congratulations, you made it through week one. I'm sure everybody did fabulous. I look forward to reading everything that you produced, and I'll be happy to provide as much feedback as I can. So, but now we're on to week two. So, you, in my opinion, survived the hardest week of the semester. So now we're on to week two. So, let's talk about the agenda for this week. First off, you have required reading in both the course packet and the APA manual. The decision-making process in the course packet, which is pages 13 through 48, and in the APA manual, you want to read Chapter 8. Again, all this is listed on your on the main page of Blackboard. We just want to kind of talk about it a little bit more in detail. There's also an article excerpt called Critical Thinking, What It Is and Why It Counts. Those will be pages 16 to 22. So starting this week, we started getting some more information on the SLU Pius library resources. So there's some information in there that you need to review. As far as your discussion board, like always, you'll want to post your initial reply by Thursday. So this week it's Thursday, August 30th by 11:59. You want to post in two responses to your peers, again on 3 separate days by Sunday, September 2nd, 11:59. There's a second quiz this week on Sunday, September 2nd, due by midnight. And actually this week I'm going to do an optional extra credit assignment. So you want to submit the Researching Your Organization worksheet that will be uploaded by Sunday, September 2nd at 11:59. Again, lots to talk about this week, so I hope you enjoy a good second week. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.